So listen, I saw a very, very disturbing Instagram post that was on your page a few weeks ago. I happen to have a picture of it. Let me come over here, Wayne. We got to show everyone.
What we got?
I know there's a ton of people that follow JH, but look, this is super, super disturbing. Look at this, right? You remember that? You were there when that happened.
Oh, that's our railroad jack.
That picks up trains.
Yeah.
That jack will pick up.
That does not look like a choo-choo train.
Well, no, it's not. But
so look at this. Look at this. You know, you post it on there like it's a
I
it's a
talked
good
to OSHA
thing.
and they were cool with it.
OSHA. Look at this. Look at there's a wood block. Look at this. Look.
OSHA
Well, yeah,
said
you
it's
got to
approved.
get that for the height, the extension.
So listen, it was like embarrassing because you know you came and you saw the jacket, you're like, oh, this thing's really nice, and
Oh, yeah.
we were talking about it like a year ago. So this is what a monster truck jack is supposed to look like. So we wanted to show you how these things really are supposed to be built. There's no blocks of wood or anything necessary, right, Nick?
No.
No wood necessary. And then they run on hydraulics, okay? Right? And then it's not very much work.
Why is that like so much easier than what we do?
Because you're not over there. I believe that railroad thing. You have to like.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Well,
we don't have anything like this.
I think the reason we don't have a hydraulic one is because I do the jacking.
We both
Okay,
do
so
it.
you need to
We
negotiate
both do it.
in your contract. You need to negotiate that all you have the ability to do is just hit a button. I think that's what you.
Well, what really makes
remember
it
work
fun
on
is
that.
when you have jacks like that and then you're pulling axles and stuff, the whole truck shakes. It just makes things fun.
Keeps you on your toes.
Yeah.
Oh, it
keeps you going that way if it rocks.
You don't want to get bored.
If it rocks 2 or 3 inches, you know it's. You
Right.
gotta get out from underneath it.
You've got safety, and you're like, nah, we'll deal with that later, and then you just let's just live on the edge.
And
You know how it is.
keeps
It's
your
better for content. I
Yeah,
think,
it keeps
too.
your reflexes sharper.
You like cat-like reflexes. So, all right, so we saw that and we're like, you know what? This is not a good situation. We fear for your safety, right? Was that safe to say, Nick? We were concerned.
Hey,
I mean,
at
Brooke,
least somebody is, because we're not.
Brooke, like your post, I was like, oh dear God. So I'll show you something. This is what Nick built at the shop. He built this at the shop a couple weeks ago, okay? And this is what one of those jacks looks like that's brand new.
That thing's pretty damn nice.
That's sweet. That's
Yeah.
sweet. It works just like the other one. It's not as dirty as the other one. I mean, it all works. But so we were like, you know what? We just we like you guys. We don't want to see you get hurt. So we thought it would be pretty cool to maybe see what we could come up with. But this isn't your jack. This is
fine.
not your jack because those aren't your colors.
I didn't know what.
This
Damn.
is your jack.
Dude.
This is the jack that we
Wow.
built for you.
Look at that.
Because that is way closer to the colors.
Shoo. Got the blue and green, blue frame, green wheels. I love it.
Right. And I don't know if I know your four-link bars are green, but this is what we thought.
No,
of it. I
it's-
think it looks good. Nick has built both of these.
Thank you, man. Absolutely.
He built
guys,
both
man.
of these,
This is
and
awesome.
this is our gift to you because we don't want to see you get hurt. We don't want to see JH. We want to see him out here doing his thing and having a good time. And when you take the truck to the mud hole and you break a spindle or whatever broke,
Just.
you're gonna just be able. You want to try it?
Absolutely.
I mean, it's got everything,
Dude,
right?
thank you
Nick, why don't
guys.
you tell them
Holy-
all the stuff that you built on this? Nick built the whole thing. Everything on it's brand new. Go ahead, Nick.
Yep. So it's pretty basic. Just what it is. Everything's the same. It's got a hydraulic pump. It's a 4-inch stroke hydraulic ram. And pretty much everything the same from the jack that I built from our second one over there.
Yep.
And this one is the exact same stuff. It's got a nice Noco trickle charger. So all you gotta do is just plug it in.
Oh, cool.
Charges overnight. No more, jump box, nothing like that. No.
Yep. Yeah, because everything that we own has a dead battery.
I don't even know.
We-
I don't even know if
everything we
that'll.
own has a dead battery. I have a pallet of dead
So
batteries.
that is
I mean,
clutch. That is awesome.
Just keep
Yeah.
it trickle charged so you don't have to ever worry about it being dead.
This is typically where we put our lug nuts. I'm sure you could put tools
Okay.
or different things you want in there. We put usually when we're doing our shocks, we'll tape measure, so we put our tape measure and stuff in there. Standard bucket that we use.
Okay.
We don't ever.
It's a little bit bigger, a little bit wider.
Okay.
Ours is a pretty narrow bucket. But
Well, we
figured
could. I mean, we
You
could,
can modify this.
We could.
so-
Yeah, we could make something that sits in there and goes to
Exactly.
the offset pumpkin and stuff. Thank you guys. Like, this is honestly unbelievable. I know it seems like something small to some people, but this is huge, man. Thank you.
Well,
so
we
much,
talked about it.
I know,
and,
but
we.
I wasn't. I mean, I don't know what to expect. Like that's awesome though. Thank you.
There's
guys.
one. Just don't scratch it. Just it's
Don't
pretty.
make it look like that.
No, don't use
That,
it.
that's about
Ours
10
is-
years
Well,
of hard
so
work right there.
That is
So
10
we-
years. That jack is 10 years old, believe it or not.
So we got it, but we can't use it. Sorry.
Exactly.
He just said you can't scratch it, but that's not a problem.
You know, I know it's a little dirty. It's got some grease all over it. I mean, that's, you know,
Oh, dude, that's-
it's brand new grease, but no,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
good.
Oh, we appreciate it, man. That's
So
awesome.
there
Fire
we
me
go.
up.
I mean, you know what? We're here to help people, right? You know, JH is doing a great job on their channel. You guys are doing good. You know, everybody out here at the Freedom Factor, we love doing this, and we're like, you know what? Let's see if we can give back and help out. So there we go.
So appreciative. Thank you so much. This is awesome. This is like one of the coolest things that we've got because it's one of the most useful things, honestly.
Yeah.
Like you get some stuff and you're like, oh, what am I doing? This is something we are going to use and we're going to prevent ourselves from dying one day.
Yeah, and
underneath
the other
truck,
thing is
so.
this may or may not have picked up trailers, RVs when we need it. It's like, oh, we'll just get
Oh,
the
yeah.
monster truck jack.
Yeah.
We,
I
you know,
actually
it'll
got
come in
you-
a pinch.
They got you unstuck out of the side of the
That
shop
is
2 weeks
true.
ago.
These are the same Heims that are on the monster trucks, so you've seen what we
1
do with
inch or
those.
1 1/4 or something. You
Yeah,
gotta-
Yeah, they're 1 inch.
1
1
inch.
inch,
So
yeah.
we
So that's what we were same as ours. So if we ever get one go bad, we got one right here.
then you're not gonna have a jack. So, but that's fine.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much. This is awesome. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you guys. Damn. Let's go, dude. No more sketchiness. I know you love it, but now we're safe.
You can't park there. Park there, god dang it.
You want me to check under
Are you guys mad because mine's taller? Is that what's going on here?
Hey, we'll see which one jumps bigger on turn 4.
This is very true. Yours will. For sure. This one might jump the same, but when it lands, it's going to be a lot different.
He'll need to use that new jack to put the frame back under. All right, so we got JH here. We were talking about this on Thursday. We had built him a brand new hydraulic jack, color matched, and we're gonna go and test it out and see how well it works, and so we can get rid of that old bottle jack, have something a little bit nicer, a little bit safer.
And if this doesn't work, we're gonna look so stupid. But I think we built
It's an
it
inch too short.
This you don't have to.
right. Look at this. This is gonna be such a pain.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even think you have to sweat.
Nice.
Where's the blocks of wood? Don't you need some wood or
Dude.
something to shim it or something?
We would not have even found the blocks of wood yet. That is how far advanced we are right now.
All right, now the jack. This is when you want
So
to
is
be in
this when it
neutral.
starts teetering?
Because you're not in neutral. If you were to put it in neutral,
Okay.
it'll settle. It'll pull the truck back a little bit.
Man, hell yeah.
All you need is we just need to make an adapter for blocks of wood to go. No, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that.
Yeah, we need to make our wood adapter blocks, you know, so.
That's what our lug nut thing is.
Probably the only thing this needs is a cup holder, and then you're good.
Yeah, yeah. Because literally, put your nice ice cold drink here, hit the button. Perfect.
Nice cup holder.
Look at. Watch your fingers.
I bet. So it's also pumped down because it's not like, I didn't know if it would just be a free flowing down.
Yeah, and if it gets bound up and it feels like there's a bleed.
This thing's about 12,000.
So that's pretty much
pretty
what,
close.
12.5 I think is what we're at.
Yeah, so we're really close. So, hell yeah, that's awesome. Let's go, baby. Thank you guys so much.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah. Justin, what are we gonna do now with all our extra time?
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll fill it with something.
Finish that pontoon Prius boat thing, right?
We gotta get that back going.
Usually do it with jacks, so you got to bring both sides down like the same. So I don't like it because it kind of, you know, this will
That'll
be
be
so
perfect.
nice to be able to pick the truck up, put stands under it, lower the truck back down. Like,
Hell
Bringing
yeah.
smiles to JH. Look
I
at
love
that.
it, dude. These guys are awesome. Thank you guys. Like again, thank you. This is epic. People probably don't realize on video this is how big this is for these big trucks.
Yeah.
But this is huge for us. Like this is massive.